Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add a cookies policy to your Elementor site for free using CookieYes. It's a really straight process. You install a plugin, and then you sign up for a free CookieYes account, and then you just choose your options, customize the look, and you're good to go.
First thing we're going to do is install the plugin, and we're going to go to Plugins, Add New Plugin. In the search, we're going to type in CookieYes. And it's this one by CookieYes. Press Install Now. Once it's installed, activate. And now it's in the plugins, press Settings. To get the most out of this plugin, I'd recommend connecting to a web app. You can do it without this, but we're going to do it the proper way. Connect to web app. And we're just going to go with the free plan. Connect for free. Then just set an email and a password. Sign up and connect to CookieYes. Then once your website's connected, go to the CookieYes web app. And it should already be signed in. You'll receive a verification email. Just click on Verify Email. Now our email's verified, and go to the dashboard. And we can now see that our cookie banner status is active. And from here, we can now go in and customize the banner. Top tip, if you've got any Chrome extensions that auto accept cookies, it will hide this. So you might need to turn those off in the extensions if you don't see this. And here's where we can adjust everything. So we've got the consent template. If it's got these little symbols, that's for the paid version. We can go into layout and we can choose the different layouts. So if you wanted to have it a banner at the bottom, we can do that. So it puts it down here. Again, you can have it on the sidebar and customize this as you wish. And content, this is what it's going to show the users. So we value your privacy. There's the message, accept all, reject all. So it's all the standard kind of stuff. And you've got all the different preferences, but you can just press publish changes and then just reload your website to see the new changes. So in the browser, I've refreshed the website, and as we can see there, we have got all the different things. Accept all. We can do that, and then that's it. We're covered. If you look closely in the bottom left-hand corner, we got the little symbol for consent preferences. If we click on this, it's going to show you all the different information that the users can view. And you can save preferences. In the CookieYes, I'd go into content, and then we have got a cookie notice here. If you scroll down and you want to create a cookie policy link, I'm going to enable this. It's going to ask you what the URL of your cookie policy is. If you want to create a cookie policy page, the best way to do this is go into something like ChatGPT. You can get a free account there. And then how I'd word it is where it says message, I would say write a cookies policy for your website address. And I'd also put the email address of the main user on there, and then just get ChatGPT to write this for you and give it a few moments. And where it says insert date, obviously you're going to insert a date there. And we can see that it's building our cookies policy. So it's having a look through the site and writing all the content for you. And once the policy is written, we can just press the copy. And then I'm just going to paste this straight into my web page. So I've got a page pre-built in Elementor. And then we just drop in the text editor. And then we just paste in the content. Remembering to change things like where it says insert date, obviously change that to today's date. Then we publish the page and we'll copy the URL for our cookies policy. So just copy the URL, go back to CookieYes, and in here where the URL is, we're going to paste that in, publish the changes, and that's done. And the other thing I would do is I would also go down to Preference Center, show Google privacy policy. So that's also going to add that in for you, publish the changes, and you should all be good to go. And whenever you do anything like this, it's always worth testing it to make sure it works. If you can't get it to work in your browser, just open a new incognito window and you'll be able to see it, because you might have accepted already and won't be able to see it. And now we can see we've got a cookies policy page. If I click on this, to make sure that that does go to the correct page, and then we're in compliance, happy days.
If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and smash that subscribe. And well, if you didn't like it, hit that dislike twice, and thanks for watching.